Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how I made 100% profit in less than 10 minutes trading a meme coin called Jargon. I'll show you exactly how I made that decision step by step using a simple yet powerful strategy that I follow every single day. This isn't just a regular trade breakdown, this is a real-time action, and if you're into trading meme coins or if you're thinking about diving into the meme coin world, pay close attention to the process I follow. It's all about the patience, strategy, and most importantly, zero emotions. As soon as I got the notification to our VIP Telegram bot about the coin named Jargon, which was graduated on the pump swap, the first thing I did was to verify all the key checks, like the rug check status, socials, mint authority, the freeze authority, which are good in our Telegram bot. This was all internally done by our scripts in the microseconds. Meanwhile, I noticed a tweet from Elon Musk mentioning the word jargon, and immediately my gut told me that this will be going at least a minimum of 3x. So here's what I did prior entering any new coin. As you know, before I make any move, I will ensure that I stick with a 3-minute waiting period to evaluate how the coin is moving on the chart. I watch for these 3 key indicators. Are more buyers coming in than sellers? I look for at least a 300 plus gap in the buy pressure. And are the buyers increasing steadily? If those chart looks weak after 3 minutes, I don't trade. As simple as that. And if I need more time, I wait for another 3 minutes or move on to the next notification. No stress and no rushing. So after 3 minutes, I saw the buy volume was increasing, the market cap was still low, and no signs of major dumps or red flags. And that's when I decided to make my move. Within 10 minutes, the price shot up fast and I booked a 100% gain. No hesitation, I stick to my plan and close the trade. So here are my 7 takeaways. Point number 1, enable the X notification of the VIPs or the influencers, especially from Elon Musk or President Mr. Trump or PumpSwap in your mobile phone. Point number 2 is whenever you get the post from these VIPs or meme coin launching portal, and if there are any specific name or words they post, I will check if there are any meme coins launched based on those words in my VIP Telegram bot. If so, I will certainly bet on it, but will wait for the right time to enter it. Third is like to act on it. I push myself to allocate my time for the next 20 minutes on that specific trade. Point number 4, not to be greedy, get my 2x and then move on. Fifth point, following my cumulative strategy with utmost discipline. The 6th one is journaling. This is very critical. Whether it's a good trade or a bad one, I will journal each and every trade. Why I entered the trade, when I entered, when I exited, what could have been done better, did I follow all the checklist. Last, the 7th point is 2 or 3 trades, good trades per day is enough. You don't need to chase every alerts. If you stick to our trading rules, protect your capital, and treat every trade like a business move, you will avoid costly mistakes and start seeing a better results over time. The coin for the day is on 26th May, our VIP Telegram bot provided the notification signal of a coin named ILYSM, which is I love you so much at the price of 0.00007244, and then it went to all-time high of 0.0026, which is of 36x. Remember, this is for educational purpose only and I'm not providing any financial advice. Always make sure to do your own research. We are giving a free trial to our VIP Telegram bot with no payment details required, so you can try it with risk-free. And for a limited time, we are also offering a Meme Coin Ninja membership at just $39 per month or $299 for the whole year for the first 100 members for the basic package. And for standard package, it's going to be like $74 per month or $499 for the whole year. Thanks for watching. Stay calm, stay focused, and keep trading smart. Meme Coin Ninja signing off.